Welcome to DPV Technology and a series of Arduino tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about some very frequently used functions of Arduino. You must have clear knowledge about all these basic functions like pin mode, digital write, delay, etc. We are going to show you the use of these functions using an example project. Let we want to blink the LED present in the Arduino board itself. This is the LED. It is connected to digital pin number 13 of the Arduino internally. Now we want to turn on this LED for 1 second and turn off the LED for 1 second. You see. First, you connect the Arduino board to your PC by USB cable. Then open the Arduino IDE. Now start the code. First, we will take an integer variable named LED equal to 13. This means we are telling the Arduino that we have connected an LED at pin number 13. You can give any name to the variable instead of LED. Here we are interested only with the pin number 13. We can define any number of variables, as many as required to complete our program. Now in the void setup section, we tell Arduino about the pin configuration. That is, which pin we want as an input or output. In this example, since we want to blink the LED, so we have to supply power to the LED from the Arduino. Therefore, Arduino have to supply output power to that pin. So we are writing pin mode LED output. Here pin mode is the function which will tell Arduino about the input or output pin configuration. Next, the LED is the variable name that we have declared above and connected in pin 13 internally. If you don't give any variable name, then also it will work. You can write 13 instead of LED. But in many complex programs, it is difficult to remember the pin number. So programmer generally assigns pin names instead of pin number. Like here, we are assigning 13 as LED. Here output tells that pin mode 13 is taken as output. Since we want to blink the LED again and again, so we have to write the main codes inside the loop section as told in the previous lectures. Now think, if you want to blink an LED, then what you have to do first? You have to first turn on the LED for a particular time and then you have to turn off. You have to repeat the same process again and again. So to do this work, we first write digital write LED high. The function digital write will provide output power to the LED which is connected to pin number 13. Notice that you have to write the function name like this fashion. here the letter W is in uppercase. In the bracket, first you have to write the variable name as we are writing here LED. Then after one comma, write high to provide a high logic 1, that is approximately 5 volt to the pin number 13 to turn on the LED. Now we want to turn on the LED for 1 second, and then we want to turn off. So we have to tell the Arduino to turn on the LED for 1 second. This can be done by writing the function delay 1000. This function will hold the control of the Arduino IDE for 1 second, so that the LED will turn on for 1 second. This 1000 means 1000 millisecond, that is equal to 1 second. If you write 10,000 instead of 1000, then it is equal to 10 seconds. Hence the LED will turn on for 10 seconds. Now we want to turn off the LED. So we write the same function digital write LED low. But here we write low instead of high. This will provide a low logic 0, that is approximately 0 volt, to the pin number 13 to turn off the LED. We want to turn off the LED for 1 second. So we have introduced the delay function again, delay 1000. Since we have written digital write function inside the void loop section, so control will come again to digital write LED high, and code will be executed again and again, and the LED will be continuously blinking till we disconnect the board from our PC. Now suppose we want to connect a sensor, say distance sensor, ultrasonic, and we want to perform any task corresponding to the measured distance. Say we want to turn on a red LED when the distance is less than 10 cm from the object. In this case, first we measure the distance by the sensor and tell the Arduino what is the distance measured. So we have told the Arduino about the distance to turn on the red LED at less than 10 cm. So we can do these things by connecting the sensor to any one of the 6 analog pins of Arduino. We have to connect the sensor in the analog pins, remember, as sensor gives analog output value to the Arduino. Now we open the code section. In the code section, we will define 3 integer variables: int red LED 10 for the red LED which is connected to digital pin number 10. The positive terminal is connected to digital pin number 10 and negative is connected to ground. int sensor A0 for distance sensor which is connected to analog pin number A0, and int value to store the value given by the sensor. In the void setup section, you see pin mode sensor input. Here we are writing input since sensor will give value to the Arduino. That is, value of the sensor is input for the Arduino. Then we are writing pin mode red LED output to supply power by the Arduino to the red LED when the distance is less than 10 centimeter. Now in the void loop section, you see we are storing the data coming from the sensor at that instant by writing value equal analog read sensor. Here you see analog read instead of digital read due to analog input from the sensor. Analog read function will read analog data given by the sensor. Now we will test the condition by writing if statement. If value less than equal less than 10, that is when value is less than 10 centimeter, then digital write red LED high, that is LED will turn on when the distance is less than 10 centimeter. You see here. Then delay 1000. So this function will turn the red LED on for 1 second. Now if distance is greater than or equal to 10 centimeter, then red LED will turn off, and therefore we write else digital write LED low. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and came to know about very basics of Arduino. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and comment us on our channel if you think that we are able to help you a very little. Also, you can visit our official websites given in the description link of this video. Thank you.